Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your XM app to the latest version. Keeping your XM app updated is very important, especially since trading apps regularly release updates for the security bug fixes and new features. An outdated version may lag, crash or even limit certain functions. The good news is that the updating XM app on your iPhone is quick, and if you follow the right step, here's a clear descriptive step-by-step guide. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on your app store, and this is where all the app updates are managed. And over here on the bottom there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down your XM app and search for it. So over here, once you find your XM app, open it and over here and look for the XM app, and if you see it, that means a new version is available for update. If you find any of the update available instead of open, you can simply tap on the update and the app will start downloading the latest version immediately. And once the update finishes, you can simply open it and your app is now updated and ready to use. Updating the XM app on your iPhone only takes a minute. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.